Is day trading losing you money? Try swing trading instead. Here's exactly how it works. So now, before we can start making money with swing trading, we of course first need to know what is swing trading in the first place. And in very simple terms, swing trading is when we are holding on to a trade for days to weeks and sometimes even months. But I would say that the most common period is to hold on for, days to maybe a few weeks. So here on the image, you can see the difference here between day traders and swing traders. So when it comes to day trading, you are buying and selling intraday. So you are basically buying and selling within the same day. While swing traders, we are buying and selling during days to weeks. So you might buy a stock on Monday a week and sell it on Friday. That is a pretty common swing trading sort of time frame. And one of the big advantages of swing trading is that you only need to check the charts maybe once or twice a day. You don't need to be in front of the chart, every single minute. A good beginner-friendly plan is to spend 30 minutes just before the market opens and maybe 30 minutes when the market closes, or even after the close. So maybe 30 minutes before your job and 30 minutes after your job. And there are tons of benefits when it comes to swing trading. Some of the obvious ones are, first of all, less stress. Day trading can be, very profitable. You get in and out of the market quickly, and you can make quick money. But when it comes to day trading, the opposite is also true. It can be very stressful, and you can actually lose money as quick as you can win money. So yes, day trading can be very profitable, but in general, it's more stress and it's harder. Another big benefit with swing trading, as we talked about, is less screen time. So this is not only good for the stress, but it's also good for, other areas in your life. If you spend less time in front of your screen, you have more time for, family, activities, and whatever you like to do on your free time. So that is another plus. Yet another plus is that in general, it requires less starting capital, or less. You generally need less money to swing trade. And here, at this point, you might be wondering, what can I swing trade? Well, you can swing trade pretty much everything. You can swing trade stocks, but it also works the same for crypto. You can also swing trade even Forex, which is basically currency pairs, or other things like, commodities like maybe gold or oil. You can basically swing trade anything, but for beginners, I usually recommend to start with stocks. But right, so now then, the very first thing you need to learn. This video was just a very short clip from our full swing trading course right here on YouTube. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.